who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India recently? Right answer is option B. B.R. Gavai, who has become the new chairman of the IRDAI in July 2025. Right answer is option C. Ajay Seth, who has been appointed as a director on the Central Board of the RBI in July 2025. Right answer is option D. Anuradha Thakur, who has been appointed as first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force. Right answer is option A. Sonali Misra, who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Research and Analysis Wing RA. Right answer is option B. Parag Jain, who has been appointed as the Governor of Haryana in July 2025. Right answer is option C. Asim Kumar Ghosh, who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC recently. Right answer is option D. Ajay Kumar, who has become the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India. Right answer is option A. Gyanesh Kumar, who has become the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO recently. Right answer is option B. V. Narayanan, who has been appointed as the ADC to the Indian President in June 2025. Right answer is option C. Yashasvi Solanki, who has been appointed as the new chairman of National Financial Reporting Authority in July 2025. Right answer is option D. Nitin Gupta. The investigation into the Air India AI-171 crash in June 2025 is being led by whom? Right answer is option A. Govind Mohan, who has been appointed as the 11th chairman of SEBI recently in 2025. Right answer is option B. Tuhin Kanta Pandey, who was appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh in July 2025. Right answer is option A. Kavinder Gupta, who has become the 26th Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Right answer is option D. Sanjay Malhotra, who has been appointed as the Managing Director and the Chief Executive Officer of LIC in July 2025. Right answer is option A. R. Doreswamy, who has been appointed as the Chairman of the 23rd Law Commission of India. Right answer is option B. Dinesh Maheshwari, who has become the new chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Right answer is option C. V. Rama Subramanian, recently who has been appointed as the first woman law secretary in March 2025. Right answer is option D. Anju Rathi Rana, who has been appointed as the new private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in March 2025. Right answer is option A. Nidhi Tiwari, recently who has become the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025. Right answer is option B. Bhuvanesh Kumar, who has become the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Right answer is option C, K. Sanjay Murthy, who has become the new Chief Minister of Delhi in February 2025. Right answer is option D, Rekha Gupta, who has taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India. Right answer is option A, Vivek Joshi, who has been re-elected as the President of the Bar Council of India. Right answer is option B, Manan Kumar Misra, who has been appointed as the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force in April 2025. Right answer is option C, Narmadeswar Tiwari, who has been appointed as the Director General of the National Security Guard NSG. Right answer is option D, B. Srinivasan, who has been appointed as the new Managing Director and the CEO of Punjab National Bank. Right answer is option A, Ashok Chandra, who has been appointed as the Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Right answer is option B, Rajesh Nirvan, who has become Director in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Right answer is option C, Sagar Singh Kalsi, who has been appointed as the new President of the Asian Cricket Council recently. Right answer is option D, Mohsin Naqvi, who has been appointed as a Secretary of Board of Control for Cricket in India. Right answer is option A, Devajit Saikia, who has been appointed as the new Chairman and CEO of Railway Board. Right answer is option B, Satish Kumar, who has been appointed as the Chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes. Right answer is option C, Ravi Agarwal, who is the current National Security Advisor of India in 2025. Right answer is option D, Ajit Doval, who has been reappointed as a Director of CBI till May 2026. Right answer is option A, Praveen Sood, who has been appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM in January 2025. Right answer is option B, Manish Singhal, who has been re-elected as the President of the New Development Bank. Right answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff, who has been appointed as the new Director of CRPF recently. Right answer is option D, Gyanendra Pratap Singh, who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India. Right answer is option A, Ajay Seth, who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee. Right answer is option B, Kirsty Coventry. Tulsi Gabbard has appointed as National Intelligence Director of which country? Right answer is option C, USA, who has become the new Vice Chief of the Indian Army in August 2025. Right answer is option A, Lieutenant General Pushpender Singh, who has been appointed as a chairman of International Cricket Council ICC. If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for the updates and notifications.